everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing another light fixture. It's actually like this last one that I reviewed, but this one is actually plug-in. This is the one that I was actually previously wanting. So I will have two lights that match this in my house. So this is how it comes boxed. It's in a regular box like that. Go ahead and take all this out. I do like the fact that it does come with a hook to hang it with. Comes like this. So really well packaged. As you can see, I need to see if the light bulb that I plan on using in this will actually fit, because it is a bigger light bulb. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be using this as a plant light. So I wanted to see if this light bulb would actually even fit in here, which it will not. But your standard light bulb, it will, but you don't have to put this glass piece on. So I will post a link in the description box down below on what it looks like with this actually installed, but I will not be installing this today with this one because I'm going to be using it as a plant light, but it'll still look really pretty even without this. Like I said in my last video, if you have really big hands, like this is really narrow. Like my husband's hands wouldn't fit in here, so it's not for everyone. You can actually use this as a candle holder or for anything else. Like if you collect rocks at the beach, you can fill it up with something like that and just use it as kind of like a vase looking thing. So this is the cord. And this has a little zip tie. I'm keeping this so that it kind of keeps this down. Hold on, let me push this down slightly so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I just wanted you to be able to see. So it has a little zip tie. Just take that off. I do like the burlap. I love kind of like farmhouse, so this is perfect for me. So you just want to unravel this, put it right here, and just screw it in from this side. Till it's nice and tight like that. Then I'm going to be using this bulb, like I said, like that. Now if I was adding this, I would just, before I screwed that on, I would put this on underneath here and then put that little plastic piece that I screwed on before I put the bulb, and that's how you would apply that. But since I'm not, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Now it did come with these little things if you wanted to hang it on your ceiling, which I think is nice. I actually already have a hook in the wall, so I will not be using that. But let's go install this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, and that is what it looks like. I put it in that spot for my monstera that I have growing there. I absolutely love it. And you can hide that cord at the back if you wanted to. They sell little things that you could put. I don't mind because I love burlap. I actually have it throughout my house. Like even, it's kind of hard to see because but that's made out of burlap as well. It just goes really, really well with my decor. Right now I have my pillows thrown right there because we're gonna be doing a Bible study and the pillows just take up too much space. But yeah, I absolutely love it. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.